Today is a very special day. Guess what? We're going swimming. Hooray! The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and our little friends are excited too. Mom packs the bag with towels and toys, swimming caps, flip-flops, and floaty rings that bring lots of joys. As they hop into the car, giggles fill the air. We're off to the pool. They shout without a care. At the pool, it's time to change into swimming costumes that feel a bit strange. One piece, two piece, trunks that are bright. Don't forget the goggles, they help you see right. Pull on your cap, snap on your band. Now you're ready, just give me your hand. Before we jump and splash and play, let's learn the rules to keep danger away. Walk, don't run, by the slippery side. Hold your grown-up's hand and stay close with pride. The lifeguard waves and gives a grin. Stay safe, he says, and you'll always win. Now it's time to get our feet wet. Dip one toe in. Ready, set. Not yet. One brave splash, then giggles galore. The water is chilly, but who could ask for more? Splash like a dolphin, kick like a frog, pretend you're a pirate lost in the fog. But what's that sound near the tall green tree? Zzz. It's a little buzzing bee. It zips past the towels and lands on a shoe. Don't be scared, says Mommy. It won't hurt you. We stay calm, take a breath, and wait. Soon the bee buzzes off through the gate. Now it's time for a swim and try. Hold the floaty. Don't be shy. Kick your feet. Paddle slow. Watch those water ripples go. The teacher cheers. You're doing great. A tiny swimmer at the starting gate. Let's play games, just me and you. Who can find the red fish? Ready? 1, 2. We race, we dive, we scoop and toss, a game of catch and we never get cross. Ring toss, water hoops and silly swim races. Just look at all these happy faces. After all that fun, it's time to dry. Wrap up in a towel, give a big sigh. The sun is lower, the breeze feels cool. What a wonderful day we had at the pool. Goodbye floaties, goggles and toys. We'll come back soon with even more joy. Swimming is fun, but remember this too. Always swim safely with someone near you. With floaties and grown-ups, there's nothing to fear. Just smiles, splashes, and lots of cheer. So grab your towel, goggles, and grin, because the next pool day is ready to begin.
No voiceover, kids' voices shouting enthusiastically. We want to watch more videos. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'd love to see your ideas or suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Stay awesome!